Hello guys, welcome back to a new video and a new vlog and a new week, and it's actually Friday again. We started the process of buying a house and we are seeing houses. Hey, did you see something nice?
I could barely see the lake over there.
Yeah,
But
so
it's a bit hard because there are some trees in front.
we don't know the location. It's the first time we arrived here. We have the appointment to... Oh, you wanna help me? Thank you so much. We have our appointment at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Yeah.
It's 1:30, so half an hour to go.
We arrived quite early, but it's actually okay because we want to see the area a little bit, to wander a little bit, to see if there is that vibe, you know, if we really want to live here. Yeah, it's kind of exciting, and in the same time everything is new, so I will keep you guys updated with everything that's happening. We will walk a little bit. I'm gonna try to film as much as possible. Everything is new, all the area and the development is new, only new houses, new buildings, so it should be a nice one. I understand why some houses have multiple colors. The same house. Yeah, so it's kind of weird. Okay, so we are inside the first house. I'm talking a bit loud, I think. This is a hallway. Might should be somewhere upstairs. Oh, hello.
Okay.
And from the hallway we are getting into the kitchen room area, and it looks lovely. It looks super lovely. We have the fridge right over here, and then the furniture. Here we have the rest of the room. There is a small spot over there which I think might be used for something else, because most probably we won't get this much wine in the house. Then we have the dining table. I love there are mirrors everywhere, and also two chairs right over here. Okay, moving into the first room. Is this like a living room, right?
You live here.
You live here. That's very comfortable, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and this is how it looks like on this side. Again, another mirror, which gets me super excited because I love mirror. We both love mirror in the house. I love this table, this coffee table.
I don't like it. It's like in the middle of
Oh, I like
nowhere.
it. I like
It feels
it.
like if I sit here and I want to drink my coffee, I have to, you know, I have to reach for it.
Let's go in the garden. And this is a beautiful garden. Beautiful, nice area. And plenty of space. And let's go inside. Over there should be the garage. And now we are getting inside and we are going to the first floor. I'm gonna show you the entrance. Let's open the door. This is the entrance right over here. And now we are going upstairs to the first level, to the first floor. Another mirror. And we have the first bedroom. After you, my love.
Okay.
This would be our bedroom, right? In my little corner.
I don't know.
Maybe you want the other one, the one at the last level, the last floor. This is a nice built-in wardrobe. I don't know if it's enough space for all my clothes.
Probably not.
Probably not. And I think there is another space.
Hidden room.
Yeah. Okay. Then we have the first. Actually, this is the second bathroom.
It's missing a mirror.
Yeah, we love mirrors everywhere. And this one has a bathtub. And from there we are going into the kids' room, which is super lovely. This is nice. I guess right over here should be like a desk or something.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs now. And the last room.
This is the penthouse at the top level.
I think I'm gonna lose some weight. And here we have
The master bedroom.
the master bedroom. This is quite big, I would say, but we don't like this corner here. Then we have another pretty spot where I can do myself prettier than I am already.
There's another spot there.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel like the way that this bedroom is organized is
It's for me.
not to my liking.
It's created especially for me, and we have lots of mirrors again. Me so happy. And the third bathroom, this one doesn't have a bathroom. These are some nice lamps as well. What I forgot to mention is that everything you see here is just an idea, so it's not like
Not an idea.
You are not an idea. I'm talking about the design and the decoration. So
yeah, this is basically the show home.
yeah, if we are deciding on this specific house, we are buying it empty.
Yes.
Okay, now we are in another house, and this one has 3 bedrooms as well, but it's a bit different than the other one. So when you get in, you get into the hallway. Can I show the hallway? Oops, yeah, not big enough for you. And then instead of the kitchen, you have
The living room.
the living room. And afterwards, my god, so many paintings, quite a lot for my taste.
Here you have the kitchen. And the dining.
Okay. Yeah, but we already have a transparent table at home, and I can't say I'm a huge fan of it.
It's a bit bigger than the other one. And it has a huge mirror, but it still has the tiny sink.
Oh yes, it's way much bigger than the other one.
Yeah.
I don't know why the sink is so small here.
I assume if it were to be bigger, it would take more space like this, and then you won't really have a lot of place to go around it.
Yeah, that's also true. What do you think? Which one you like?
Definitely the other one.
The other one, yeah.
This one doesn't even have a different floor. This is it.
Yeah, so there are only 2 floors. And I don't like all the bedrooms to be on the same level. I don't know why. I think the other one looks a little bit more spacious. And I don't know if it's also because of the
I
furniture.
think it's definitely bigger.
Yeah.
Because just like the top bedroom,
Yeah, exactly.
it's way
It's a
bigger than
different one. This is the third home and the biggest one. Oh wow.
Okay, so this is like the dining room.
Mm-hmm.
And then here is the living room, right?
Wow, the living room is huge. Oh my god, such a huge difference. It looks way
Oh,
much.
nice. And you have like entry into the kitchen area as well from here.
Oh my god. Nice.
So you have exits into the garden
Yeah, from both
the
living room
and the kitchen.
and the kitchen, yeah. The table right over here, it's kind of placed weird because I have the feeling that you won't have enough space to go into the garden. But yeah, it's not like you can't change it. And from here, from the kitchen, you can go directly into the hallway. And from the hallway, again, when we first started the dining room.
You see this bathroom right here?
Okay, let's see the utility bathroom, which again it's quite large. Plenty of space. I could dance in this one. Okay,
Some storage here on the right side, I
okay,
guess.
so I missed this one. Oh yes, this is a nice area. Where should be the garage here?
I think it's this one.
This is the garage?
Yeah, I think when you enter this.
Initially I thought that this is a different house.
Oh, it's locked.
It's locked?
But yeah, this looks like the garage from the outside.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's definitely the garage.
Is the garage?
Yeah.
Okay, so this can be like another room. Because you'll have plenty of space to park the car outside over there.
Yes.
You see, guys, I'm not thinking about parking inside. I need space, lots of space. Fridge, again, it's super
Same
small.
size.
Yeah, I don't know why, but...
It's a hint for us.
Yeah.
Eat less, people. It's very simple.
Dishwasher.
Yeah. You know what I did not see in these homes? Washing machines. Where do they wash their clothes?
Are they there?
I don't think so. I have no idea.
No.
Ah, here it is.
Okay. But what about the other ones?
Which one?
The other houses? The other two?
Probably something similar, I would say.
Let's go upstairs. Is this the second floor? Does it have three floors or only two?
I think only two,
Only
by the
two.
looks of the stairs.
Okay, let's go in the first room. This one should be the baby's room, which is also quite big comparing the other ones.
Keep your camera straight. It feels like it's tilted.
Yeah, I'm trying, guys. I'm doing my best.
Okay.
I'm seeing the rooms for the very first time in the same time with you, so
This is the bathroom.
excuse my mistakes. Bathroom with
What is
the
here?
tube. And here,
Oh, it's a boiler.
let's have a look. Ooh.
It's a big boiler.
Okay, so we are on the way again. We had like a small lovely discussion with the ladies, and it was way much easier than we were expecting to be, because there's not much you can do at this point. Right now we are heading out to the place where the houses will be built very soon, because there are no houses available at the moment. They are still building them, and most probably they will be released in June, July or something like that. So we have to check out the website and see when they are available, and at that point we have to apply and pay the deposit. Until then, the only thing we can do is to check out the website. I had the feeling that it's gonna be way much complicated, but no, because you can't do much today. But it was lovely to see the houses. It was lovely to discuss with them and have like a better understanding of what's happening next and what we have to do next. So they're still building them.
Yeah, I
Here,
think this plot is the one. Because
This one?
It's definitely under construction.
yeah,
You see there?
yeah,
Spring Walk, phase
phase
7A.
7A, yeah.
So this is the place where the homes will be built.
So these will be the possible potential neighbors right over here. Let's go a little bit further. Straight.
Yeah, I don't think you'll see a lot
No?
because of this big wall, wooden wall.
Let's just have a look. Let's try. This should be way much nicer than the other area, because it looks like it's not that busy, and because the main row is so far away, it's not gonna be noisy as well. So this is something we are very interested in. Oh yeah, look over there, they're working, and houses which are already built. I'm wondering if it's gonna be orange or white. I don't know what's the difference in between them. I forgot to ask about the parking place, but I think it should be
Yeah, you
included.
definitely have a parking place in the garage, and the ones that I'm interested in, also in front of the homes, you will have these kind of like visitor parking places, like the one that
Similar.
you see here in front,
Yeah,
where
similar
this
to
white
this
car is being parked. So
And
for
sh-
example, your parking place would be something like this, right next to your home.
We will try to visit the surroundings and the closest city, which is I think 7 minutes.
Yeah, 7 to 10 minutes, I don't know, some that.
Yeah, and see what can we do over there, because we still love the London vibes and we still want to have plenty of things to do close
But
to
we
home.
want quiet, peace and quiet
Yeah,
as well.
exactly. That's the most important thing we are
And
interested
space, because in London everything's
Yeah.
crammed.
Anyway, I think today it was a good day. It was a really nice day, and I'm super proud and super happy because we finally made this step and started to do something, even though by the end we don't know how it's gonna happen. We are super optimistic that everything is gonna go well, and we shall see what's happening next. I'm gonna keep you posted. I'm gonna keep you updated with everything that it's going to happen and everything that we have to do next, because most probably is gonna be helpful for some of you who are looking to buy a house in the UK. In the next vlog as well, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the first steps you have to do prior to book the appointment with the builders of the houses, because there are a few things you have to check before you do the appointment. Otherwise you can't actually book it in advance. I'm gonna end up the vlog today here because I don't want it to be way too long. We are going to see the surroundings to see what we can do in the city. So yeah, I hope it's gonna be a nice day. I wish you all a lovely day ahead. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah!